Hello everyone. Look what I have here today. I went outside and I found some snow. It is cold. And we're going to make a snowstorm in a jar. We're not going to use this real snow. We're going to make our own. So, right here are my directions. And the first thing we need to do whenever we make something is get our ingredients or our supplies. And on my little reminder, it says ingredients. We need some oil. You can have vegetable oil, baby oil, any kind of oil. We need white paint. We need Alka-Seltzers. And we need a vase to put it in. We're also going to add some glitter to our ingredients. It's not on our chart, but we're going to put some in. Now I'm going to look at my directions, and it says add 1 cup of water. Chris has this all measured out for me, and I'm going to pour in the 1 cup of water. The next thing says mix 1 teaspoon of white paint. Here's my teaspoon of white paint. Ooh, you know what, I'm just gonna dump a little extra in there so we have a big white snowstorm. Then, time for the oil. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna smell it. Ooh, baby oil, it smells like, this smells like coconut. And I'm gonna pour it in. This might take a long time. How about if I see if I can get that cap out? No, I'm not going to be able to. I'm going to use 2 hands and I'm going to squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
You're gonna have to use those muscles, Lori.
I'm squeezing. Oh. Still squeezing. Looks like there's a snowstorm in there already, Chris, doesn't it? It's going to be pretty cloudy. Oh, it's almost empty. I like how I'm using 2 hands to hold and squeeze. Look, it's empty.
All right.
Now, Chris, would be a good time to do the glitter, don't you think?
I think so.
All right. Oh, this one.
So what color do you have there, Lori?
Right here I have silver. I'm gonna dump it in. Ooh. And here, it's like iridescent. This is going to be pretty in there too. I don't know, Chris, it looks kind of like blurry in there, don't you think?
Yeah, we'll see.
All right. So, do you think we should let it settle for a little bit, or?
I think maybe we just let it go. Let's try to put some Alka-Seltzer in it, Lori, and
All
see what
right.
it does.
We're gonna put, this is something where you're gonna have to have a parent help you or an adult putting the Alka-Seltzers in. I don't know, Chris.
Do we need to add more?
More Alka-Seltzers?
Yes.
That would be a great idea.
I can see something.
Oh, I see it
I
stirring
can
up at
see
the
it.
bottom. Here we go, more Alka-Seltzers.
Wow. Oh, that's pretty with the glitter, Lori.
Do you see it?
Oh my goodness, look.
Oh, and it's gonna keep
Oh,
fizzing.
it's rising, Lori. Look at how it's going to the top.
It is. Look at it, I'm gonna turn it this way. Look at, now remember, that's not really snow. It's paint, glitter, Alka-Seltzers, and oil. And it's all fizzing up.
What would happen, Lori, if you added more Alka-Seltzer? Do you think it would come out of the jar?
Do you wanna see?
Yes, please.
All right, I'm gonna open it up. Okay. I'm gonna add, here's another Alka-Seltzer. Oop. 2, we'll add 2 more. Oh no.
Look at that go.
I'm wondering if we added, I think you can see this kind of glitter, the silver a little bit better. You see it?
Oh, it's coming out, Lori.
Ooh. Hold on, I'm gonna get something real
Okay.
fast. Oh, Chris, I was hoping that we'd have some different colored glitter in there, but I couldn't find it. Look
Oh.
at this snowstorm. It's going everywhere.
Hey, who's gonna shovel that?
Santa.
Okay.
So here it is, guys. This is our snowstorm in a
Jar.
Hey, we're back. Chris and I are back with our snowstorm. We've been having so much fun that we wanted to share this with you. So what we're going to do is add some more glitter. This time we're going to add some blue and silver glitter. Let's see what happens when we do that. Oh, I'm gonna put a lot in there. And then we're gonna add another Alka-Seltzer, or maybe two, and see what happens. See if we can see that blue glitter and, you know, a little bit better than the white glitter. So are you ready?
Let's go, Lori.
All right, in goes one Alka-Seltzer, and here's two. Get ready for that snowstorm.
I can see a little bit of fizz.
Oh, it's really fizzing over here. Let's see if what happens when we turn the light on. How does that look, Chris?
Oh, right there. That's pretty, Lori.
Look at that. It's snowing. And see how much it goes to the top. When I feel this, Chris,
Yes.
it's not even cold.
Really?
Not like this snow. This real snow, brr. This, not snow.
Oh, look at it go, Lori. More's going.
Oh, do you think it's going to come out of the top?
It looks like it, well, it's
Well,
going a
let's
little
see.
bit higher. I don't know, Lori.
Those Alka-Seltzers sure are making it fizz. Should I put one more in, or should we just leave it? It's gonna start overflowing, I think.
Oh,
We'll just leave it.
it looks like a snowstorm, Lori.
Yeah, it looks pretty though. And that's it for the day. Look at it starting to come over. So you'll find this activity on Seesaw. If you end up doing it, take a picture and let us see how yours went, or a video.
Great idea, Lori.
Thanks, Chris.